Alright, so I've got this cabin air filter kit for my 2012 Dodge Ram 2500. So what you want to do, pop open the glove box. You see this tab right there? Yeah, I have a lot of napkins in here. I'm on the road a lot, so I want napkins. Pull this, and the whole thing comes down. Easy. See right there? That square, that cutout? Magically, the filter cover that I ordered is the same shape. See that? So what you want to do is cut this out. Take a knife and cut it all out. Doesn't have to be a special knife by any means. It just has to be a knife. I'm using this bad boy right here. Yeah, it's a little whatever. Now you want to do, follow the lines. You got to puncture it first. So actually I'm going to do that. And then I'll cut back to this when I'm done. So be right back. Alright, I've got my hole made. That took a lot longer than it should have. This knife is too long. I ran into this issue here when I was trying to cut in the back. Excuse me, it was hitting the dashboard. Anyway, that's off. So I got the filter that came with it. I don't think it's anything special, but I'm going to use it. It's just a normal. So you see the airflow arrow is pointing down. So put it up. See the hole up there? Okay. So you just want to put it up in here. Kind of hard to do with one hand. So I'm going to scrunch it a little. Ugh, gosh, hold on. Alright, there it is. Got it in. See? In and out, nice and easy. Put it right there. Don't force it. It's done going. Airflow. You want to be able to read it, because that's the way the air flows. Put this cover on here. Make sure it's nice and snug, doesn't move. It's actually really tight. It's a good fitment, which it should be. It's an OEM part. But yeah, so now I've got a cabin air filter. And why do you want to do this? The way the condenser lays in here, it lays like this. So if you're driving on dirt roads or going off-roading and you have the AC on or the heat on, whatever you're doing, air's coming in here, dirt's settling on it, building up, until AC isn't going to work anymore. And that's not going to be cheap to get fixed. So anyway, $30 part. I'll put the link to that part in the description below. Thanks for watching.